Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Thursday the 26th of July 2018. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at the overnight changes and price moves we need to be aware of. And this morning I just really want to focus on the mixed fortunes of the dollar in Asia Pacific trading, I should say, overnight. Dollar index trading at 94.16, down by around 0.22% on the day. But it was, a case of mixed fortunes for the dollar. So gains against the Australian dollar around 0.14%, and also against the Korean won, where the dollar appreciated by almost 0.5%, but losses against the Indian rupee and the Japanese yen, and dollar yen now trading with 110 handle, 110.78 trading shortly before we went on air. We mentioned Bitcoin yesterday, of course, for the first time in a while. That has given up some ground, but it is still trading with an 8,000 handle, $8,198 per coin. Bitcoin was trading shortly before we recorded the video. Right, let's take a look at what's on the calendar, events that may move the markets today. Relatively compact calendar, but still plenty of items of note on there. We kick off at 6 a.m. GMT with the GfK Consumer Confidence Survey for August out of Germany. A look at how German consumers are faring and what their expectations are for the future. A decent break then until 11:45 GMT, when we will have the ECB deposit rate and interest rate decision for the month of July. That will be followed, of course, at 12:30 by a monetary policy statement and press conference from Mario Draghi. We're not expecting any changes to QE or to European interest rates. However, I think the market will try and seek clarification about the timing of any rate rise following on from the June statement and press conference. Sandwiched in between those ECB interest rate decisions and the kick-off of the press conference, we will have continuing and initial jobless claims from the USA alongside durable goods and durable goods orders for June. Then we have another significant break until 23:30, when we'll have the Tokyo Area Consumer Price Index data for July. That's both inclusive and exclusive of food and energy. Right then, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye overnight. And first of all, the US and the EU have agreed to a trade war ceasefire and to look at lower tariffs and freer market access between the two groups. Jean-Claude Juncker and Donald Trump striking something of an accord. There's no guarantee that this will last, but it does at least give us pause for breath. Meanwhile, South Korean Q2 GDP has come in line at 2.9% when calculated on an annualized basis. And Saudi Arabia has decided to suspend crude oil shipments via the Red Sea after attacks on two of its large tankers yesterday. The attacks were believed to have emanated from Yemen. Right then, food for thought, something for you to take away with you into the trading day and beyond, and why not think about this? As the ECB meets today to decide on European interest rates and QE, don't forget that its balance sheet continues to grow and now stands at a whopping 4.6 trillion euros, equivalent to some 41.2%, I should say, of Eurozone GDP. By contrast, the Fed balance sheet has shrunk to just 21.5% of US GDP since they gave up QE. Now, of course, the ECB is to, according to its timetable, give up QE by December 2018. But we're not clear yet exactly how the balance sheet will be unwound, and it seems likely that there will be at least 15 billion euros per month of new purchases in 2019 as they reinvest some of the proceeds from redemptions of their current holdings. So perhaps that's some of the stuff that Mario Draghi will touch on this afternoon. I'm sure the audience will be asking some pertinent questions, so it'd be well worth tuning in to that ECB press conference. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs on foreign exchange can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about the suitability of margin trading for you or the use of leverage in your trading, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative. Thank you for your time.